are you doing? How are you doing? Bevakno kahamno tong. Everything is going well. Everything is going well. Deng tangi yasik thumabu samale. Why do you wake up so late? Ang pungo daktino thumabu shaw. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Jotono tigno tangway na blana. Is everything alright? Is everything alright? Tangi yasik ler kasha. Why are you so late? Traffic jam ko chai tong hun ke ba. I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. Boro thangi tong. Where are you going? Where are you going? Tabuk dambusik tamka. What time is it? What time is it? Tabuk damchi shoti thamchi. It's 10:30. It's 10:30. Ang belai wana mahapsa. I'm very worried. I'm very worried. Ang tabuk belai pailaya horlaya. I have been very busy recently. I have been very busy recently. Ang damsi ni bisingono habawa thangnanang. I have to go to the office by 10 o'clock. I have to go to the office by 10 o'clock. Ang coffee ni slaike sase hamza kugo. I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. Nang mai mui de shong pai ka. Have you finished cooking? Have you finished cooking? Ang tusinay do. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. Sabotini bai tu mutu hunay. Who is going to do the dishes today? Nang rusap mungrok kadai kanasha. Do you like listening to songs? Do you like to listening to songs? Anite mung shalama kre. I don't have another choice. I don't have another choice. Geze tang lady. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Nung bor shamung klai. Where do you work? Where do you work? Asung kenungu. That's enough. That's enough. Ang bujika. I got it. I got it. Nung kana frida. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Nung bai gulo malai finai. See you later. See you later. Nung leng chakna. Kisha leng lagrari. You are tired. You should take a rest. You are tired. You should take a rest. Light masudidi. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Light butaridi. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Ang nini bagay sa kapsa snawride. I will make a cup of tea for you. I will make a cup of tea for you. Do nung ani shamung kasha kai diri mano. Would you please do me a favor? Do you please do me a favor? Dakti dodoro kaidi. Hurry up. Hurry up. Nung dibo ni mai disaka. Have you done your lunch? Have you done your lunch? Shoti sha nashingradi. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Ang tabuk thugrana. I'm going to sleep now. I'm going to sleep now. Ang okhiya. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. Ani bokorok shaidong. I have a headache. I have a headache. Ang kusang shukka. I have a cold. I have a cold. What thaise mutunak dize kun prupan ta hindi. I have headache. I have cold okne. Correct sentence ka. I have a headache. I have a cold. Ani thali tabuk rang rokre. I am broke. I am broke. The bufru finai. When will you come? When will you come?